Let's take a look at this example. We have to divide fraction by the mixed number. Again, I have to copy first fraction down, so I have 2 over 3 divided by mixed number. I have to convert to the improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result I have to add to the numerator. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 over 6. Anytime you divide fractions, copy first fraction down always. 2/3. Division you have to change to the multiplication and find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 6 over 29. Check if you can reduce any denominator with any numerator. Remember, you can do this kind of reduction only when you have multiplication. I can divide 3 by 3, and I can divide 6 by 3. So I have 2 over 1 times 2 over 29. I cannot reduce anything else, so I'm going to simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 29 is 29. This is the solution to my problem.